I'm a huge fan of George Miller's 1979 masterpiece, Mad Max. I always wanted one of the bikes that were built by La Parisienne in Melbourne. And when KZ1000 popped up, I decided to go ahead and do something I said I would never do, which is cut up a really nice stock motorcycle to make some creation. I don't regret it though. This is a great motorcycle, and it helped me to learn a lot about Kawasaki and the KZ series of motorcycles. These bikes were built from 1973 till 2005, a staggering 32 years in production of basically the same platform with only minor refinements. And if you want to learn about making air-cooled 4-cylinder engines, there's no better place to start than the KZ1000 engine.